It's officially move-in day. We are officially 5 days from moving to Arkansas, and we'll be moving to my new office. And as you can see, it's getting really bare in here. I've got a 2-month-old and I also have a 3-year-old. So this has been a really fun process. My 3-year-old is currently right here. So we're surviving, but I'm really excited to get into the new space and to show you guys my new craft space. It's officially move-in day and my office is now completely empty. I am so exhausted. Moving with a newborn has been a lot. Grandma's watching the newborn today, and me and my husband and a few friends from church helped us pack up our entire house and the office, and it's now completely bare. It's so weird to see the space where my business grew up and really took form just completely empty. So it's definitely bittersweet, but I'm so excited to go to my new office and to bring you guys along. So I'll see you in Arkansas. Hey guys, it is day 2 at our new house in Arkansas, and this is my little office entrance on the side of our house. I am so excited today. I'm going to be unpacking everything in my office and starting to get things ready to pack orders and get back going. So I'm excited to take you along as I'm doing some unpacking in the craft office and just decorating. I got my coffee this morning from my favorite coffee shop in town we always go to when we come back to the area. I'm still in shock that we're living here now, and I'm so excited to be back in my home state and excited to just put this craft room together. This is the little entrance here. It's got a cute little door. Our house is from the 70s, so it has a lot of like fun like little quirks. It has some bay windows in my office too that I'm obsessed with. So let's go inside. Hey guys, it's officially been 1 week in my new craft office, and I feel like my family and I are getting settled. We've packed orders a few times in this new office and it's pretty chaotic already, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. It's just been so nice to get settled in a new place. It's been a lot to move with a 3-year-old and a 2-month-old now. So yeah, the craft office is coming along slower than I would like, but I'm excited to show you guys what we've done so far and what the space looks like. So let's go. So this is the door from the outside. I showed you guys the view from out there and coming in, but I love this window. It's very vintage and 70s, which this house is. I love this. We also have the bay windows and I've got curtains up, and this is where we pack orders. So as you can see, it's already very messy. We've packed orders 3 different times already. So we've got everything out. So I have my tutorial cards here and my backings, my coffee always, and all my different patterns. We organized them for the move and it's actually been amazing for packing orders, so that system will stay. We have our bubble mailers here, and I tried to organize the shelf with a bunch of my different products. We've got our cutter up high so the kiddos can't run in here and get hurt. More bubble mailers. And then we have my create room dream box. This thing is my favorite. It holds almost all of my crafting supplies, and it was a gifted partnership, but I'm seriously obsessed with it. So if you guys want a video just on that, I can definitely do that. But it is a huge part of my office because it is massive. So as you can see, I have everything organized now. I have all my yarns and my threads in these little organizers. I have some scrapbooking stuff in there if I ever get to it. All my scissors, my hoops, different florals for filming. Not so glamorous. This is our printing station. So we have 2 printers, one for patterns and one for backing. The patterns can gunk up the printer, so we have 2 now, and that was a great investment. Vintage green plate cover for the light switch that I found at an antique shop. I love it. I'm gonna put some film up on here eventually. It's gonna be like rainbow and florals, and it should have like a fun rainbow effect with the light. I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna back up here, give you a view of the whole office. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour of my new space. I'm so excited to pack your orders in here and film tutorials in here and more YouTube content. Let me know what you want to see in this new space and from my channel, and I'm excited that you're here. So until next time.